Hello, guys. This is day 25th, and this is day 4 for the 7-day challenge. And first, I want to show about the challenge, like what challenge I have for today. And I already solved all the question and all the things, so I have already done. So let's see what are the question for today. Okay, so you can see this is 60-day communication challenge. So basically I took a 7-day challenge first. So this is day 4, and you can see the simple present tense and listening, and one more imitation thing. So first I took this challenge, like I solved these all, and I make couple of sentences all the this, like he, she, it, or apne upar. And then I okay, we'll talk about this later. So first see the result. So this is my practice. Okay, ये हटाओ यहाँ से AI वाला, disable on this side, yeah. And you can see, like it's always like fill in the blanks always correct. And now you can see the sentences which I have done. So first sentence is wrong. So these days I do 7-day English challenge. So it's a wrong. So correct one is these days I do a 7 के बाद हाइफन है, देन डेज इंग्लिश चैलेंज. सो यहाँ पे दे रखा है ग्रामरिकल मिस्टेक मैंने क्या की है. सो दिस मेंशन हेयर एंड ऑल द सेंटेंसेस इज करेक्ट. एंड दो सेंटेंसेस में थोड़ा रिवाइज किया है, लाइक दिस इज द माई शी नोज द बेटर वे. सो शी नोज अ बेटर वे, यूज not the, because you are referring to one of no way. Okay, now the ninth also wrong. He has perfection in punctuations. So he has perfect punctuation, तो यहाँ पे ये perfection नहीं आएगा. Okay, ठीक है. So like all the sentence is good. So here is the most common fixes summary. So in 7 days की जगह यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट किया है. Okay, so overall it's a feedback. So now it's my 90% grammar is correct, so it is good. Okay, so this is about day. Now I show you the video practice. Like I watch one video and okay, so hello, let's start the practice.
How about you?
How about
What
you?
do you do every
What do you do every day?
day?
I wake up,
I wake up,
I have a shower,
I have a shower,
I eat breakfast,
I eat breakfast,
I drive to work.
I drive to work, I drive to work,
I listen to a podcast.
I listen to a podcast, I listen to a podcast. So basically, the task is like I have to repeat with the accent. I ate lunch, I ate lunch.
After work, I go to the park.
After work, I go to the park. After work, I go to the park.
I go home and cook dinner.
I go home and cook dinner. So like guys, these are the simple present tense. So I think I know about it, but yeah, it's little difficult to use while we are talking. So like I already did the practice, but yeah, for a video making purpose I do it again. All right, guys. So I want to give you little hint, like why I am do this, like this much, like very little practice I do every day. Why? So you might think इतने से क्या हो जाएगा? Like I do only 15 sentences or 5 sentences. So it would really make any sense, or it would make any difference in my communication? So the answer is yes. आप कितना करते हो डजेंट मैटर. कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करते हो कि नहीं करते हो, दिस इज द मेन थिंग. मे बी यू मेक ओनली 5 sentences, 10 sentences, speak only 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes per day. Regular, कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ द की फॉर एवरीथिंग। ये तो मैं अच्छे से समझ गया हूँ, सो दैट्स वाई आई प्रैक्टिस this but on every day, and I do this practice, and I have been doing this practice from last 1.5 year, and yes, I can see the result. I have a very good news for you. So maybe I will disclose when I get confirmed. So it's not confirmed now. When I get a confirmed, so definitely I will love to share with this. So basically, it's the good news. Like हमारे यहाँ सारी बातें communications को लेके होंगी, English को लेके होंगी. So definitely it's something related with my communication skills. So just wait and pray for the hope. सो ऑलराइट गाइस, आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। प्लीज़ सजेशन दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, एंड इफ़ यू फील लाइक यू आर ऑन द सेम पेज, यू ऑल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग इन कम्युनिकेशन, सो स्टार्ट योर जर्नी टुडे। एज मैटर नहीं करती है, 50 60 60 साल जो भी आपकी एज है, आप जिस भी लेवल पे हो, जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर एंड स्टार्ट इट टुडे। कल करेंगे, कब करेंगे, वो कभी नहीं होगा गाइज। लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो 35+ नाउ, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी लाइक मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन माई पास्ट। तो अपने पास्ट के बारे में आई वुड मेक अ परफेक्ट 1 वीडियो और 2 वीडियो, लाइक आई डिस्कस ऑल माई हिस्ट्री, लाइक माई एजुकेशन एंड ऑल। सो या, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे, एंड डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट, सजेशन सब करो। अभी के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में डे 26 पर।